In the battle space of the 21st century, victory belongs to the force that can see first, strike first, and decide first. Pakistan's army demonstrated application of multi-domain operations undertaken in offensive scenario in series of joint exercises in diverse terrain and formats, where it also showcased some of its indigenous, cutting-edge niche weapon systems and technological innovations shaping the modern battlefield. Multi-domain operations is synchronized application of air, land, cyber, electronic warfare, and autonomous systems which converge into a single, seamless design. Here, every sensor speaks to every shooter, every strike shapes the next maneuver, and every action pushes the enemy one step closer to collapse. This is transfusion of conventional and air firepower, coordinated maneuvers, information operations, spectrum warfare capabilities, multi-layered air defense protection, supported by multi-purpose drones employed in various configurations and roles. This is how a modern offensive is launched, with precision, with speed, with overwhelming dominance. Under multi-domain operations scenario, the battle is shaped for an offensive long before the first tank moves forward. Sensors detect, networks fuse, decisions accelerate, and the shooter grid executes with unforgiving accuracy. The goal is simple: paralyze the enemy, pulverize their defenses, and enable own forces to capture the objective with minimal resistance and maximum speed. Pakistan Army demonstrated this synchronization in its purest, most lethal form. The punch of the offensive is its charging armor. These fierce machines with integrated firepower, shock effect, and maneuver overruns the enemy defenses, while following close behind is mechanized infantry to physically hold the captured ground. Tanks rumble forward, their guns blazing, pounding enemy strongpoints with precision and fury, creating breaches in the enemy's walls. The battlefield fills with the roar of engines. Momentum becomes unstoppable. On both flanks, armor troops maneuver into firing positions and overrun enemy defenses. Static, moving, relentless. To support the armor onslaught, the massive firepower at disposal of offensive forces plays major part. This massive firepower, through coordination and systemic execution, paves way for tanks and mechanized infantry to move forward. The legendary F-16 and JF-17 Thunders deliver precision strikes across enemy-hardened defenses. With precision bombs striking enemy bunkers, the air creates rupture in the enemy's first line of defense. These strikes are calculated, deliberate, devastating. Air firepower is used to decimate enemies' defenses bund, carving a deep crevice in their fortifications with speed and unmatched precision, leaving their forces disoriented. Artillery plays most significant part in shaping up of the battlefield through devastating and concentrated artillery fire of various calibers. Assault fires strike targets with precision and accuracy. This massive firepower shakes the ground, turning enemy defenses into dust that no enemy can survive. Digitized through the targeting system, target data flows instantly across the fire grid. Enemy frontage disappears under relentless, precisely directed bombardment. Concurrently, having crushed the forward edge of enemy defenses, in a seamless transition of fire, batteries elevate their ranges, realign bearings, shifting their destructive focus onto the adversary's depth positions. The very heart of the enemy's defense is subjected to an intense and sustained bombardment, designed to fracture their central cohesion and open the way for our advancing formations. Artillery also performs a crucial task of suppressing enemy guns. After delivering a devastating blow of suppression fire on enemy, our guns will disengage and move to alternative locations. Explosions ripple across their rear echelons. Enemy guns fall silent, their will shattered. The earth shakes, the battlefield trembles, enemy cohesion collapses. Artillery shapes the battlefield and announces the arrival of the offensive forces. To maintain the speed of assault, engineers deploys mine-clearing expedients which carve safe lanes through enemy minefields. Fast, accurate, casualty-free. These lanes allow armor to maintain momentum because in modern war, speed is survival. As artillery pounds enemy, the base of fire joins in. VT-4 tanks and heavy anti-tank missiles are effectively engaging their designated targets at longer ranges. Meanwhile, 12.7mm guns are delivering suppression fire on enemy defenses. These assets silence enemy bunkers and create a corridor of devastation. The enemy is locked, pinned, helpless. This is fire supremacy, the point where the enemy can neither develop its operation nor interfere with ours. Modern war demands modern tools. Pakistan's indigenously developed drones, equipped with AI-enabled targeting systems, advanced cameras, and robust electronic countermeasure protection, enter deep into the battle space. Surveillance drones map enemy movements. Kamikaze drones strike fortified positions. Drone swarms overwhelm bunkers with silent precision. Use of drone swarms has gained critical significance in modern warfare and has shifted the battlefield from attrition only to effect-based destruction. These have been embedded in fire concentration to complement the devastating effects of artillery and base of fire, creating further imbalance in enemy defenses. These agile platforms capable of executing swift, silent, and highly accurate missions deep within the battle space will deliver overwhelming blow by decapitating enemy troops inside fortified positions. The hellfire unleashed by these drones upon designated targets, leaving destruction in their wake, is a living proof of our engineers' prowess and our operators' mastery. Above the advancing columns, the aerial trio joins the assault. Cobra gunships, Z-10ME attack helicopters, Fennec scouts, cannon fire, rockets, anti-tank missiles, all raining down with precision to neutralize any enemy attempting to regroup. This is joint warfare at its finest, air and land striking as one. A synchronized storm of steel and fire sweeps through remaining defenses. Enemy guns are silent. Enemy will is broken. Enemy territory lies open. The objective is achieved. These exercises have displayed technological prowess, devastating firepower, and precision engagement capabilities, all integrated with professional excellence of Pakistan Armed Forces, showcasing synergetic application of various arms and services, which is hallmark of multi-domain operations. These exercises were more than a demonstration of firepower. These are Pakistan's technological strength, its professional excellence, and its unshakable resolve. This is the Pakistan Armed Forces, modern, united, and ready for the challenges of tomorrow. This is Pakistan. Power, precision, pride.